This miso mushroom and broccoli ramen is next level delicious, you guys. The broth is savory, umami, fragrant, aromatic, and salty, and has the silkiest, creamiest texture. It is to die for. If you guys are looking for a quick and easy weeknight dinner, this is it. It has many different options for you to customize and tweak around the ingredients to suit what you already have. It's a total game changer in my soup game, and I know it will be for you too. So let's just do this. So we're going to start off by slicing up 1 pound of baby bella mushrooms, put them in the bowl and set them aside. And then we're going to take 1 medium-sized crown of broccoli and chop them into small florets, set it aside. Then take 1 whole bundle of green onions, chop off the ends, and we're going to separate the light and white colored parts from the dark. We'll be separating the green onion into 2 different parts of the cooking process. And then for our aromatics, we're going to mince up some fresh garlic and ginger. So heat up some oil in a stock pot, and then we're going to add in the garlic, the ginger, and the light colored parts of the green onion, and let it saute down for about 2 to 3 minutes until it starts to soften a bit and it becomes super aromatic and fragrant. Then we're going to add in the sliced mushrooms and the broccoli. Mix it all up, and then we're going to put the lid back on and let those sweat out for a few minutes, probably about 5 minutes, until the broccoli has started to turn bright green and the mushrooms have started to shrink down in size a bit. Then we're going to add the miso paste, about 1.5 tablespoons, plus 1.5 tablespoons of gochujang, which is a spicy red pepper paste, plus about 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can also use gluten-free tamari. Mix it all together and then add in 4 cups of hot veggie broth. Mushroom broth would be great here as well. Stir that all to combine, cover with the lid, and we're going to bring that to a boil. And then we're going to let that simmer down for about 5 to 6 minutes until the mushrooms shrink in size, by about half, and the broccoli crowns have softened. Then we're going to add a whole can of full-fat coconut milk. This is going to make it so creamy and delicious, plus the remainder of the green onion. Give that all a good stir and wait until the coconut milk has pretty much completely dissolved and melted into the broth, and it is going to turn out looking something like this. It is so good. The color of that broth, you guys, it's so magical. It's like buttery smooth. It's delicious. It's so creamy and savory. The soup is like a total umami bomb. You can serve it up with your favorite kind of ramen noodles. Here I'm using a brown rice ramen. I just like it because it's packed full of protein. You can serve it up with some extra protein on the side if you like. I have just cooked up some edamame beans and I've just thrown them into my bowl here, and I topped it with some extra green onion because you can never have too much green onion. And there you go. This is honestly my new favorite ramen. I don't think I will ever go back to just like plain old bowls of ramen. The broth here, man, it is glorious. It is all about the broth. If you don't have good broth, you do not have good ramen. And you can use this broth for like so many other kinds of soups. If you don't want noodles, you don't have to have noodles. You could add more veggie. You could eliminate the broccoli. You could just have a big bowl of mushroom soup if you want and just use the same broth. It's just delicious. The broth. Okay, broccoli in soup, any kind of soup, literally any kind of soup. It was a game changer. You know why? Because broccolis are like little flavor sponges, and their little broccoli crowned heads just absorb all the flavors of whatever you put in that broth. It's like, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's so good. If you don't like broccoli, eat it in soup. And I'm sure this will change your mind. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!